Alright, so let's take a gander at what this young lady has to teach us. I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist with over 10 years of experience. I also have my master's degree in nutrition.
If you want to shed fat, literally shed it. Fat. It is actually this simple. Not easy, simple.
Okay, so first things first, just to be clear, there isn't one true diet that will work for everybody. It depends on you and your likes and dislikes.
90% of the foods you consume should be whole.
While 80-20 is more popular, her version, the 90-10 strategy, is a more strict route, both of which can work, but it really depends on the individual.
And by whole, I mean veggies, fruits, your meats, chicken, turkey. Like, your fat will fly off of your body.
When you make changes to your diet by taking out the ultra-processed foods and replace them with more whole foods, the more minimally processed meats, and eating more fruits and vegetables, it should be obvious that this will help reduce your daily calories, thus leading to a caloric deficit and ultimately weight loss. However, the rate of fat loss is not linear, nor is it the same for each individual person. Understand that it can be affected by a plethora of factors like underlying health issues, your diet composition, stress, sleep, hormones, fat accumulation, skeletal muscle, social engagement, caloric restriction, physical activity, age, gender, time availability, and you cannot forget about genetics, and there's still so much more that can affect how fast you can lose fat.
Your taste buds will literally change. I know in the moment it will not seem like it.
So there was a recent study that did indicate when it comes to weight loss that taste perception and preference does, in fact, change after weight loss. Adding on to this, while losing weight is going to be very challenging, it will take a lot of work, as she mentioned, but maintaining the weight loss is another challenge that you need to prepare to take on. Keeping the weight off for the long term is extremely challenging, and subsequent weight gain is very typical for a number of reasons. And that's not just because of a lack of willpower. For example, there's hormone secretion changes that happen after weight loss, which can lead to both increased appetite and reward value of food, leading to increased caloric intake. Also, resting energy expenditure after weight loss is commonly lower than expected according to body composition changes, meaning that after weight loss, that your body is not burning off as many calories as it used to. Losing weight is going to be tough, and it's possible that maintaining that weight loss is going to be even tougher. But at the end of the day, your body is going to love you and thank you for being up for the challenge. So go after it. I'm Coach Julio. See you next time.